Bitcoin flirts with $37,000 mark as crypto markets turn green. Up to 5 million Indian crypto users shifted to offshore trading platforms, report. Standard Chartered Unit SBI Holdings team up to invest $100 million in crypto startups. ARK snaps up 9.5 million HOOD shares day after Robinhood announces European expansion. US SEC said to open talks with Grayscale on spot Bitcoin ETF push. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. The cryptocurrency markets were trading 3% higher on Thursday, helped by gains in blue-chip cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin that hit fresh 18-month highs, carrying forward the momentum from a recent rally. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of top 15 cryptocurrencies was at 44,709, up by 2.6%. The total crypto market is currently around $1.37 trillion, up 2.1% in the last 24 hours. That's the market cap according to CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin was trading up at 3.8% at $36,725. Ethereum was trading up by 1.3% at $1,907. Market participants believe the announcement will be a significant milestone as ETFs will have a crucial role in making crypto investments more accessible to a wider spectrum of investors, especially financial advisors. The largest crypto by market value, Bitcoin, gained 4% in last 24 hours and last 7 days, and 32.6% surge in over a month. With the next Bitcoin halving event less than 5 months away, long-term BTC holders have remained bullish, refusing to let go of their assets. According to a weekly report from on-chain market intelligence platform Glassnode, several measures of Bitcoin supply such as HOD-led, long-term holders and illiquid are at all historical highs, with the crypto asset being held at extremely tight levels. Binance BNB was trading at $250, up by 1%. Cardano's ADA token was up by 5% to trade at $0.37. Data reveals that Cardano witnessed a 32% rise in whale transactions and a 5% price increase, signaling positive momentum. ADA price jumped 50% from October with a 384% yearly increase in ecosystem value, boosted by educational partnerships. According to Sentiment, an on-chain analytics firm, Polygon was up by 5%, has risen back to $0.80 and boosted its market cap by 54% in just 3 weeks as altcoin milestones continue to shoot off. Matic has recovered to $0.80 for the first time since July, thanks to robust whale activity and accumulation, according to Sentiment. Ripple's XRP token was flat at $0.69. Talking about Solana Sol, it was up by 7.5% at $46.5. Doge, the popular meme coin, was up by 1.5% and at $0.0755, and Shiba Inu was up by 3%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The implementation of 1% tax deducted at source on virtual digital assets transaction in India has reportedly led to a migration of between 3 to 5 million users to foreign trading platforms, according to a report by the Asia Center, a technology policy think tank based in New Delhi. In February 2022, the Union Ministry of Finance announced the levy of 1% TDS on VDA trade with the intention of discouraging speculative activity and increase traceability in India's VDA ecosystem. Instead, the Asia Center report titled Impact Assessment of Tax Deducted at Source on the Indian Virtual Digital Asset Market found that the move deprived the exchequer of 3,493 crore rupees of revenues as against the collected revenue of 258 crore rupees. Out of the 258 crore rupees collected, 250 crore rupees was paid by domestic Indian VDA exchanges, or 97% of the total amount. On the other hand, only 7 crore rupees was collected from trades by Indians on offshore platforms, only 0.2% of the 3,500 crore rupees that should have been collected. The Asia Center report used data from Indian and global VDA ecosystems, analyzed transaction volumes from 13,000 peer-to-peer traders, and conducted a survey of executives working at India's VDA exchanges to assess the impact of the 1% TDS levy. The study revealed a few key insights. SC Ventures, the investment arm of the Standard Chartered Bank, and SBI Holdings, the Japanese financial conglomerate, have partnered to set up a $100 million crypto vehicle in the United Arab Emirates. The vehicle, in the form of a joint venture, plans to invest in crypto across areas such as decentralized finance, tokenization infrastructure, payments, and the Metaverse, the two companies said Thursday. It aims to invest globally, covering seed to Series C funding rounds. The news comes with crypto markets showing signs of recovery, hinting at potentially bullish sentiment. Bitcoin is currently trading at about $36,800, marking a year-to-date gain of over 120%. Spot crypto trading volume on centralized exchanges also increased in October following 4 months of decline. If those metrics point to renewed interest in crypto, it is likely in anticipation of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval early next year. The SC Ventures and SBI Holdings joint venture plans to make strategic and minority investments in crypto startups, said Alex Manson, CEO of SC Ventures, in a statement. The joint venture will leverage SC Ventures' experience in digital assets through our ventures such as Zodia Custody and Zodia Markets, and through our investments in fintechs like Ripple and Metaco, he added. Cathie Wood's ARK investment purchased a large chunk of shares in US-based financial services company Robinhood a day after the popular trading platform laid out plans to expand in Europe. ARK Innovation ETF, ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, and ARK Fintech Innovation ETF bought a combined 1 million shares of Robinhood. The total purchase had a value of $9.54 million based on Wednesday's close of $8.36. With an experienced team in place, we will soon launch brokerage operations in the UK, Robinhood said in its third quarter earnings statement on Tuesday. As another step in global expansion, we are also planning to launch crypto trading in the European Union following our UK launch, the firm added. Bitcoin's 110% year-to-date gain has failed to boost demand for shares in Robinhood, which as of Wednesday traded just 2.7% higher on a year-to-date basis. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has opened talks with Grayscale Investments on the details of the company's application to convert its trust product GBTC to spot Bitcoin exchange-traded product, according to a person familiar with the back and forth, which could have momentous implications for the crypto industry. An SEC approval of one or more ETF applications is keenly awaited by the sector, which sees that moments or as a milestone that could ease everyday investors' path into digital assets. Grayscale has been in contact with both the SEC's Division of Trading and Markets and the Division of Corporation Finance since winning its court fight, said the person who requested anonymity because the talks remain private. Both SEC divisions could have a role in shaping and approving the firm's ETF application. When pressed 2 weeks ago about what his agency will do next with Grayscale's application and the others, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler said he wouldn't answer while the commission waits for its staff to recommend a course of action. Meanwhile, he published a video earlier on Wednesday spotlighting the work of the agency's corporation finance arm, dealing with rapidly evolving technology and business models that will be central to Grayscale's application. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Hashflow. The Hashflow ecosystem has unlocked 160 million HFT tokens worth $44.8 million, accounting for 74% of the total tokens in circulation. The unlocked tokens are allocated to early investors, ecosystem development, and the core team and community rewards. This strategic distribution ensures the continued growth and sustainability of Hashflow's operations. Hashflow is a decentralized exchange operating on a multi-chain platform deployed across various blockchain networks like Ethereum, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, and BNB Chain. The platform aims to address challenges like impermanent loss, slippage, and sandwich attacks in automated market maker protocols. HFT was trading at $0.29, up near 7% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. GMX, a decentralized trading platform, has seen annualized yields on major tokens reaching to 75% thanks to Arbitrum incentives. The platform allows users to trade spot and perpetual futures for major tokens at low fees and has settled over $136 million in trades in the past 24 hours. XRP trading pools on GMX are rewarding users nearly 75%, while Solana's SOL and DogeCoin pools show yields of up to 65%. Bitcoin yields have risen over 28%, while Ether yields have jumped to 19%. Liquidity on these pools is provided through individual GMX market pools, where users who lock their tokens on GMX are rewarded with a cut-off fees earned from services such as leverage trading, borrowing, and swaps. The platform was the biggest recipient of Arbitrum's ARB token grant following a community vote in October. Over the course of 12 weeks, 12 million ARB tokens will be distributed in 3 separate incentive categories on GMX. However, today, Arbitrum was trading at $1.12, up near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Grayscale Chainlink Trust, also known as G-Link, has seen its prices surge by nearly 100% in the past week, closing at $39 from the $21 level on October 31st. The regulated product, which allows US investors to gain exposure to Chainlink's Link, holds just a $12 worth of Link, making it nearly 3 times pricier than the actual value of the held assets. The Chainlink Trust, launched in May 2022, holds just another $4 million worth of Link tokens and charges 2.50% annually in fees. Grayscale's trust products are the first of its kind to report financials regularly to the SEC. Link tokens have surged over 76% in the past 30 days due to technical upgrades and institutional adoption of Chainlink services. The trust products are part of Digital Currency Group's parent company, CoinDesk. Link was trading at $14, up near 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Injective. The Injective team has announced a new integration with the Binance wallet, marking the start of 1,330% increase in the price since the beginning of the year. The price has cleared multiple resistance levels and is approaching its all-time high. The Injective price broke out from a descending resistance trend line in March and has since increased rapidly. The relative strength index is used by traders to determine market conditions, with a reading above 50 and upward trends giving bulls an advantage. The Injective team has officially integrated with the Binance Web3 wallet, allowing users to interact with the entire Injective ecosystem with a seamless wallet experience. The Elliott wave theory, which studies recurring long-term price patterns and investor sentiment, supports continued price growth. INJ was trading at $17, down 0.76% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. A member of the Shiba Inu team, their social media marketing manager, Lucy, has taken on the popular X platform to praise a cumulative burn of 500 million SHIB made recently by a particular project that is evolving on Shibarium. The aforementioned 550 million SHIB have been burned over the last 2 weeks thanks to NFT sales made on Shibarium. 550 million SHIB up in flames, Lucy reposted a tweet published by the SHIB Dream, the one that created SHIB VIP social network in December 2022. Recently, the project launched a collection of non-fungible tokens called SHIB Dream on Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. In less than 2 weeks, according to the tweet, by sending a lumps of 100 million, they have managed to burn a total of 550 million SHIB. On November 7th, when the burn rate of this meme coin skyrocketed by an astonishing 12,840%, with 173 million SHIB tokens logged in dead-end wallets, more than half of this amount, 100 million SHIB, was burned by the SHIB Dream. Shiba Inu was trading up 42% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3verstv.io or scan the QR code.